I want to talk a little bit about acupuncture and what I can do for those that are suffering from Bell's palsy. Another name for it would be like trigeminal neuralgia. And I've had a couple of cases recently where they've come in. One case was they came in with trigeminal neuralgia where they had a lot of pain, especially when chewing. And it was on the one side of the face and it just really hurt to chew. And so we did acupuncture. And in the first visit, they noticed the difference. And they've had it for a couple of months prior to them coming in. And we've treated them probably about 8 times total over the last few months and are really doing well. They have really minimal discomfort when they're eating and having hardly any pain in that side of the face along that trigeminal nerve. Now, in the same week, I had another case where it was slightly different. Same thing in the fact it was a trigeminal nerve, but on this one, she had no muscle movement, like it was paralyzed on that side of the face from the trigeminal nerve. And so we did the acupuncture for that, and she could start to smile. And then after a few visits, she was really feeling pretty good, but she still couldn't quite close that eye all the way. Now, I've treated her, I think it's about 10 times in the last 2-3 months, and she can now close her eye all the way. It looks really good. There's still just a little bit of discomfort in that side of the face, but here I saw 2 different types of trigeminal neuralgia or Bell's palsy in that same week. One was, it was super painful, whereas the other one, it was more about the paralysis of the muscles. But I did acupuncture on both of them and they both responded so well. And I've had other cases in the past. So if you know of anyone that is suffering from Bell's palsy, I would highly recommend acupuncture. I have seen such great results with that.